guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be trying a Mexican... Hey guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be trying a Mexican street-style corn soup recipe. I got this from Pinterest from stripespatula.com, and the link will be down in the description below. And the recipe calls for corn on the cob for a very special reason, and just yummy cheese and just yumminess. So if you want to see how this soup's going to turn out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. So for the soup, I got going on cutting my corn, and I just got a bundt pan and cut my kernels down into the bundt pan just to make as minimal of a mess as possible. And this was super local corn, like it grew 2 blocks away from my house. But then I got cutting up my onion. I just used a half though. I don't like a ton of onion in my soup. And then just minced some garlic and went over to my stovetop with my pot and put my corn in and my onion and chili powder, salt and pepper, and mix that all together. And then my garlic. Look at all that beautiful color. And then I took some of the corn out for the topping for later and added in water and try to deglaze the pan as best as I could, and then added in water and bouillon to make like stock, and then the corn kernels that I just put aside, corn cobs, and then I let it simmer for 20 minutes. And after that I removed the corn cobs. They did their job. And then added in my sour cream, cotija cheese. Tried to get that to melt as best as possible because it didn't really want to grate, but then I just blended it up with my immersion blender and put in half of the corn that I had reserved from earlier. Added cilantro, the juice of a lime that I had already zested, and mixed that together. And then for the topping, I mixed in the zest, the corn, and cilantro, and mixed it together. That was it. Hey guys, so I had 2 guests that were just being really eager. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. And really quick, I just wanted to let you know that I did not season this to taste because I did want my first reaction to be on camera. So I might need to add salt and pepper or chili powder like they said, but I'll let you know. But here, baby, you want to try a bite? It's hot. Can you blow? Good job. Is it good? Here, you try it. Yeah? Wow. So immediately when you take a bite, I get a pop of corn because I didn't blend mine all the way through. And then I get hit by the lime and cilantro, and then followed by a smooth, creamy finish. I mean, this is a 10 out of 10. If you have fresh corn, especially super local corn like I do, it's a rock star dish. I mean, it took a little bit of time, but it's really, really good. Really good. Like, make this good. I am so glad that I did, even though it's hot outside. I mean, it's definitely a winner over here. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you hanging out with me today. And don't forget to subscribe and leave any requests that you've got down in the bottom comments below. You gonna say bye-bye?